Hello, my name is Jochen Tunkel and I'm a periodontist and oral surgeon in Bad Oeynhausen in Germany. First of all, I have to say patients were amazingly calm, and of course we explained the facts to them. One fact is that we are used to personal protection equipment, and we use this in our everyday routine even before the crisis began. So there's no difference in using it now. And of course I used figures and numbers and facts to reassure them that everything is all right in the office. Some patients of course asked if there was a higher risk for transmitting the disease in the dental environment. And I tried to explain them using, for example, some figures from Wuhan studies. There's a big dental clinic with 1,809 workers there, and only 9 of these got infected, and 3 of them definitely in the private environment. So there is not the big risk for dental staff, and that means the other way around for the patient to get infected in the dental environment. We put information like this and other information on our website, our social media, to reassure the patients that they can come and that there's no bigger risk if they visit their dental office.